Hi, YouTube. I'm just gonna do a quick lesson on in the waiting line. We're gonna do in the waiting line. It's a relatively simple song. It has kind of a low-key jazz R&B feel to it, and let's go over the chords, okay? And then we'll talk about the if you want a guitar solo at the end or have an instrumental break. We'll talk about that after we cover the rhythm guitar part. So the song starts in C. It has a little introduction of C, F minor. This is also the verse and the chorus progression. So this is pretty much 90% of the song. So again, C2. Now the chord we're playing is F minor 7. But we're not playing, we're just playing the bottom 4 strings. It's important though, it's just like an A shape, except you are going to push down on the first string. So you can play it like an A. But I prefer to use the inside of my finger and just bar the top strings 1 through 4. That's your F sharp minor. So C, F sharp minor. Then it goes to B flat. And again, we're going to go to this A shape. And we're going to just slide it up to our 3rd fret. That's B flat. C, F sharp minor 7. B flat, and then it just goes back to C. And so that's why I say it's a relatively simple song. It sounds really cool though. Alright, so that's the introduction, that's the chord progression for the verse and for the chorus. There is one variation. At the end of the verse, you know, you're going along, you repeat this. Doesn't anybody here agree with? It goes to D to G for a turnaround. You can just play regular D. Doesn't anybody here agree with me? Or you can play just a D, straight D. You can play a D7. You want to jazz it up. But you can just play a straight D and go to a G, or you can use a G7, or you could use both. Good. And then it just goes back to either the chorus or the verse. There is a bridge section, and that's using a lot of these chords we played, but it also so what that is just we're taking that B flat, and then we're going down to the 1st fret. I played it with a F minor 7, but You could play a F major here. I'm just using my simple F shape of first finger on the second string, your B string, at the first fret. Middle finger on the G string at the second fret, and your ring finger on the D at the third fret. And you're just going to play strings 4, 3, 2. That's F major. So you can play your regular, F or a bar chord, and any of those would work, or just this simple shape. That's what a lot of people are using for Fs. Yeah, so just again, the bridge is just B flat, F, C, G, So B flat, F major, C to G. That's the bridge. All right, let's talk about, I think at some point there's an instrumental in the song, so. I'm just playing in the C minor pentatonic. And then you can add in some of extra notes, like go down to this one on the 7th fret at the G string. Gives it a kind of jazzy feel. Again, at the D string, you can slide down to the 7th fret. I think that makes it like a Dorian kind of feel. It's just like a Dorian is just like a minor scale. So try to use your C minor pentatonic and then just see, which notes around it will fit. You have your C minor extension box at 11 and 13. Okay, so that will give you somewhere to start. You could play it also at the 3rd fret. Just remember, on your B string, it's going to be 4 and 6. Then everything else will be like. Everything else will be like the pentatonic you're used to, but because it's on the 5th fret, your C, you're gonna shift up to the 4th and 6th, just on the B string. Everything else will be 3 and 5 and 6. All right, and you can play, and then of course everything repeats. You can play that at the 15th, and you could play this one at the 20th. So that should give you plenty to work with, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and subscribe. It helps me out. Bye.